How to delete entire Telegram chat. If you have been using the Telegram application and wondering on how to delete the entire chat on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this, which are the chats. Now to remove the entire chat, simply keep on tapping on the chat, just like this. Then here you can find delete option right here. Tap on it. Now here you can find permanently delete the chat. Now delete just for me or delete for both of you. Now simply select one, just like this, and tap on to delete all. And now you can see the chat has been deleted. And that's it. This is how you can delete entire chat on Telegram. It is this easy, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.